Hi everyone, in this video we will see how to use header and footer in the Microsoft Word file. Header means on every page we want to write something in the top of the page, right? For example, this is a question paper of 10th class maths, so I want to write here, and that should come on every page, the top of the page, right? And some other information also I can add. In the same way, in the footer here I want the page number, right? Page number 1, 2, 3 or some other thing I can write that one. So how to do that? We have to go to insert. There is a menu here, right? Click on insert, then you are having header. Click on the header. Once you do that, then you will see that you will get this one, something like this. Click. Now you are seeing that on the top of the page you are getting a dotted line you are seeing here, right? So here whatever you write, it will come on every page. No need for you to type every page. For example, here I will write TG 10th class Maths 2026 March question paper, and here some more information I want to write. YouTube channel, clear, and this information you want to come on every page. Do some formatting, whatever is needed to you, you can do that one. And this is a dotted line. Now to come back to the page, click somewhere outside here, outside the header area, double click this one, so you are now back. See the first page, see second page, you are seeing this one. Now third page, you are seeing this one. Fourth page, like this you will see on all pages. You will see this is what we mean by header. Now we want to give footer here, page number. To give this header or footer, no need to go to the page number 1 only to do this. You can do this on any page. Either you go to insert and footer here, or page number you can do from here, or directly also you can double click here. Come to the bottom of the page here to open the footer section. Double click here. See, once you double click a line you will see here. Now we insert the page number. Insert page number. You come here, insert, and then you see page number is available here. Bottom of the page, where you want page number, left side, center, or on the right side, or one page, 2 page, like this, what you want. You have so many formats available, so many designs available, right? You can do anything you want. You can select that one. For example, I will take this one, page 1 of this I will take. So where it is coming, it's coming to the header. We don't want in the header, so Control Z, cancel this one. We go to the footer part, insert, page number, bottom of the page, you select anything. See, this means on the top, this one I will take. See, I am getting here page number 2, because outside double click here, page number 2. Here you are seeing page number 1. Observe here, bottom right side, 2, 3, like this. You go to any page, you can see automatically page number will come. If you want to change this one, double click again in this area. You can delete this one. You can write some other thing also here. This is this question paper is uploaded by something like any message you come, it will come. If you come out of this, if you want to come out of the section, double click here. So this is the use of header and footer, which you can repeat on every page. Hope you like this video. Do click on the like button and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.